Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Shopify Analytics effectively to grow your store using the latest features available in 2026. Analytics is the key to understanding your store's performance. Traffic, sales, and customer behavior are all valuable insights that help you make better business decisions. So, yeah, using Shopify Analytics correctly can make a huge difference. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Analytics. Here you'll see an overview of your store's performance, including total sales, online store sessions, returning customer rate, and average order value. Dive into the reports to get deeper insights. Sales reports show which products are performing best and which ones need improvement. You can filter by date range, sales channels, or product type to understand trends over time. Customer reports help you understand who your buyers are. Track new versus returning customers, average purchase frequency, and top geographies. This information helps you personalize marketing and improve retention. Acquisition reports show where your traffic comes from. Whether it's social media, search engines, or email campaigns, you'll know which channels drive the most sales. You can then allocate your marketing budget more effectively. Behavior reports give insights into visitor actions on your store. See which pages have the highest views, where customers drop off, and which products generate the most interest. Optimizing these pages can significantly increase conversions. Shopify also allows you to track sales over time with visual graphs and charts. This makes it easy to spot seasonal trends, high-performing products, and areas needing improvement. Custom reports are another powerful tool. You can combine multiple metrics to create a report tailored to your specific business goals. Exporting reports allows you to share insights with your team or use them in other tools. Finally, regularly review your analytics. Check daily for urgent issues, weekly for trends, and monthly for strategy planning. Consistent monitoring helps you act quickly and scale your business efficiently. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.